Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So la emva kwami nginobani nginoSinoxolo Kwayiba. Mina ngimkhumbula kahle kuSinoxolo Kwayiba is a former Chippa United player who was playing very well for Chippa United. But he recently joined Orlando Pirates kuleli windi esisuka kulona. Umjida akaze wathola ama-minutes amaningi. Methola ama-minutes, uthola nje ama-minutes igame isizophela lapho khona Orlando Pirates isifuna ukuqeda umdlalo. So last game simbonile umjida engena kuphuma bani kuphuma uYanela Mbuthuma oyi-striker se-Orlando Pirates. Remember njoba eyi-striker uYanela Mbuthuma sikhona esinye striker ebenchini okuwubani oku-Evidence Makgoba. Lokho kwangenza ngiyibuze kakhulu ukuthi kahle kahle shuthi ucoach uzama mhlawumbe ukumconverta ukuthi adlale as a striker noma ambeke lapha phambili because angi-understandanga leya substitute eyenziwa ngalesa sikhathi. Khumbula-ke phela uSinoxolo Kwayiba ngesikhathi edlala kwiChippa United he was playing as a central attacking midfielder. Central attacking midfielder yini na? Central attacking midfielder olomdlali odlala as number 10. Orlando Pirates ke sinabo ko number 10. We have Sipho Mbule who plays as a number 10. We have Mfokeng recently umjida naye unawo utsadlala as number 10. We have abadlali abanjengo Dlamini yabo nabo bayakwazi ukuthi badlale as number 10. So when you look at a player like uSinoxolo Kwayiba who was very good with Chippa United, but when you look at the squad Orlando Pirates esinano Teto Maswanganye futhi who plays as a number 10, kuzoba nzima impela ukuthi umjida akwazi ukuthi ayithole game time. I watched his matches with Chippa United. He was the leading goal scorer with Chippa United. And for me, I think it's the wise decision for its team, coach, as a converter as a number 9. Yabo. But again, we saw him ukuthi yena akasiyona lo little number 9, akasiyona lo mjida lo esingathembela kuye kakhulu as a striker kodwa ke kuningi okumele sikudrille kuyena. Yabo umjida akawathola ama-minutes amaningi usadinga ukuthola i-confidence kancane, maybe mhlawumbe ukuthola igoli kuzokwazi ukumsize akwazi ukuthi aboost i-confidence yakhe umjida. Yabo as a number 10 I don't think umjida uzoyithola i-game time. Management kumele izame ukusithola isikhala sakhe sokuthi bam-include because lo mjida lo is a quality player. As a quality player as he is, you need to include this player because I don't think i-loan ingamsiza. I don't think mase sicabanga nje komloan uSinoxolo Kwayiba because mesimloana ehamba kuOrlando Pirates masebuya i-position azoyidlala. Still I don't think uzothola i-game time i-position ayidlalayo. Kumele sikwazi uku-include kwi-game. Sim-include kwi-game noma si-shifte i-position yakhe ayodlala phambili. Ngangitshela-ke wena ukuthi how do you feel about uSinoxolo Kwayiba? For me, this guy is a good player, but again, it's just a pity ukuthi umjida mfethu angayithola i-game time. Wona ungamqalisa ahead of uTeto, ungamqalisa ahead of Mbulu, ungamqalisa ahead of Mfokeng. He's a good player, yes, but would he? And wangitshela i-position yakhe, do you think umjida kumele adlale as a striker? Wangitshela ama-comments, how do you feel about uKwayiba?